Hello and welcome to the step-by-step audio-visual guide to submitting your work online. This guide complements the step-by-step text and graphics-based guide provided on Blackboard. Submitting your work online is relatively straightforward. We do ask students, however, to follow the step-by-step approach that we outline in this presentation. Blackboard is the means by which students need to submit their work. You can access Blackboard at the following URL: blackboard.le.ac.uk. You need to insert your CFS username and your password and then click Login. Most students will have access to 3 Blackboard sites. Site 1 is their core program. This contains program information and module material. Site 2 is their elective site, which contains module material specifically designed for their electives. Site 3 is the support system for the proposal and the dissertation. Each of these sites will have an online submission item on the Blackboard menu bar. You can see this here. Let's click on this. Assignment submission deadlines are advertised on Blackboard. Please identify the submission deadline that you will realistically be able to submit your work to. You will also find on Blackboard extensive information on how to submit your work in the online submission area. Before you can submit your work, you need to inform the university that you wish to submit online via Blackboard. You do this via the online submission area of Blackboard. You will need to inform the university at least 4 days prior to the assignment submission deadline. To inform the university, follow the following steps. Select your module. You will be presented with an option to sign up to submit to the next available submission period. You then need to select Sign Up Now and click OK. The Blackboard system will inform you that you have successfully been added to the sign-up list. You will see your name and your application date listed on Blackboard. You are now able to begin preparing your assignment for submission. To do this, you need to download the AGC form to your computer. You will find the AGC form under Program Information and Administrative Forms. You need to complete sections 1 and 3 on the AGC form. You can either develop your essay within the AGC form document or insert your completed essay in the AGC form prior to submission. If you do experience any difficulty with the AGC form, do note that you can unlock the formatting using the Form tool in Word. This allows you to fully edit the document. We do ask, however, that you do not edit the areas reserved for the markers. Once you have completed the AGC form fully and also inserted your assignment and assignment question, you need to save your file. We ask students to save the AGC form to a Word or Word-compatible word processing package. Please avoid the use of PDF formats. The name of your work is your surname, your first name, your agent and your region. For example, a student with the name Mina Clark, who is serviced by Stafford Associates in Dubai, would use the file name Clark Mina Stafford Dubai.doc. Students serviced directly by the university should just enter open for their agent or leave it blank. Failure to follow this file name structure will result in delays in the processing of your work. Please note, you will only be able to submit one file. The page setup must be portrait and A4. When you are certain that you are ready to submit the piece of work, you may begin the online submission process. Please do note that once you have submitted your work, that document cannot be edited or removed. It is your responsibility to make sure that it is a copy you wish the markers to see. How to submit? Return to Blackboard and select Online Submission. Select the module folder. The online submission option should now be visible to you. Click View Complete. The title of the module will be listed and you will see a document icon with an arrow next to it. Click the document icon. You will see that your first name and your last name has already been completed for you. The title and the file name for your work is your surname, your first name, your agent and your region. You may recall Clark, Mina, Stafford, Dubai. Students serviced directly by the university should just enter open for their agent or leave it blank. Select your document from your computer using the Browse facility. And when you've selected your document, click Submit. You'll be asked to check that this is the document you wish to submit. Please note that the document presented will appear in text format only for referencing. So, for example, you will not see any formatting, any graphics, any tables, etc. The university will receive the document you actually submitted, with full graphics and full formatting. If you are satisfied that the document uploaded is the correct document, then click Yes, Submit. Alternatively, click No, Go Back. If you do click Yes, Submit, you will receive a receipt. The receipt will document the assignment, the date you are supposed to submit to, and the title of your work.